Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes, Paneer Tikka. It's a quick and easy dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. The first step is to marinate the Paneer Tikka. Take 500 gram paneer in a bowl. Add 250 gram curd and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Half tablespoon haldi. Half tablespoon black salt. Add white salt as per taste. Half tablespoon kasuri methi. Add 1 lemon juice. Mix all ingredients. Mix it well and pack it into closed container. Keep container into refrigerator for at least an hour. This will help to infuse the flavors and make it much more delicious. More you keep it, more will be the flavor. Now marinate 2 big size cut onions and capsicum in rest of masala. Now, it's time for grilling. Take a skewer barbecue rod and arrange marinated paneer, onion and capsicum on it, alternating with each other. Keep little gap in between. Do it same with other skewers. Now, heat up stove and keep grill on it. Start grilling Paneer Tikka on it. You can also grill it in oven, but I like to cook it on flame, as it gives tikka a delicious smoky fragrance. Apply some oil on it. Flip the Paneer Tikka once it's cooked on one side and cook the other side same way. Cooked paneer until it's through and crispy. And there you have it, delicious Paneer Tikka. That's perfect for any meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and be sure to give it a try. Thanks for watching.